Hi everyone! If you fly digital FPV, you know we are missing the crucial motor sound.
Warning, armed.
That audio feedback is essential for precise control and situational awareness. Today I will show you how to create a custom, realistic motor sound using a simple Lua-script on your Radiomaster with EdgeTX or OpenTX firmware. We will transfer the file using the USB connection. Power up your radio, then plugging in the USB cable. Select USB storage on the screen to connect the SD card directly to your computer. Navigate to the Functions folder on your radio's drive. Now create a file named mosd.lua. Insert the script from the video description and click Save. Now press the Model button to access your model setup and scroll over to the Special Functions tab. We will use an empty slot to define our action. Set the switch to your arming switch position, for example SA up. Set the function to Lua-script. For value, set the MOSD Lua-script file we just created. Set repeat to on and enable the function. Now the sound will start the moment your arm playing at the idle pitch.
Welcome to EdgeTX. Disarmed. Turtle mode off. Warning, armed.
That's all there is to it. You have successfully added realistic dynamic motor sound to a digital FPV setup. Listen to the sound, follow the throttle perfectly. This gives you back that critical audio feedback. If this tutorial helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more FPV tips. Thanks for watching and happy flying!